Welcome to Listen and Speak English.
Hi, Clara.
Hi, Emily, how are you?
Fine.
Hello, Clara.
Hi, James, long time no see.
Yes, I was out of station. How is everything?
Fine, here, meet my friend Emily.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you new here?
Yes, I joined last week only. Earlier, I was at San Diego.
What course are you doing, Emily?
I am in BS second year.
What are your subjects?
English, History, and Economics. What are you doing, James?
I am in BSc final year. How do you like New York, Emily?
Okay, but a bit too hectic.
I have been to San Diego. Nice city, but a little dull, I think.
Well, I found New York too noisy. Life here is really fast.
Soon we will get used to it.
I hope so. I have a class. Okay, bye, James.
Bye, see you.